Hello, in this short video I will try to explain you how to use Microsoft Teams. So let's start. First, when you start your Microsoft Teams, you will get this window where you need to type your email and password. So I will type my mail, then I will click next, and then password. Email and password will be provided to you by school. And then sign in. After you sign in, just wait a little bit until Microsoft Teams load on your screen. Also, I just want to give you a warning before even starting the Microsoft Teams. Just shut everything down else, so just leave it Microsoft Teams to work, because if you activate something else, maybe it will block you or freeze the screen or something like that. And also, suggestion, please do not use the mobiles, use the PC or the tablet. So after the signing in and the Microsoft Teams loads, it will show you the groups, teams. So here, as you can see it, I'm assigned a IT team. Your child will be assigned in the year group or class group. When you click on this one, you can see all notifications, everything what happened and what not happened. In the case that you didn't read something, you will get something like this, last read, and you will see the new messages, and above is the messages that you already read it. Or you can see what happened today, and then you can scroll it down and see it all meetings and all messages. Now, how to know when we have a lesson, when the lesson is scheduled by the teacher. In this case, the best is if you go on the left side, you will see all these icons. In these icons, you will see it, activity, chat, teams, assignments, calendar, calls, files, and additional apps provided by the Microsoft. For you to see when the lessons are assigned, when you will have online lesson, is just go here in the calendar. When you click on the calendar, it will load your all lessons. Now, if we go above, you will see it here, it's written today, January 2022, and here it's written work week. I suggest you to change this into whole week, because in this case then you will see it from Sunday until Saturday, the whole week, and you can see the all lessons that are assigned to you or the lessons that you will have online. Now, how we will know in which lesson we should join in, because sometimes even the old lessons can be on the calendar. Lessons that are the new ones, you will have it like this. It will be blue line here on the left side, and nothing will be crossed. As you can see, the cancelled one has empty white, and it's written cancelled, and it's marked with a line. That means that lesson is cancelled, or it will be rescheduled or something like that. Third, it can be the lines over here, additional lines. That means that is really old lesson. So the only lessons for you that you will have it is like these ones. Now, how to join this lesson? As you can see, this lesson, when I go with the mouse, it says for training from 9 until 9:30. To join the lesson, just click here. As you can see, it says join, and click join. And it will open new window. Now, before you go here and click join, please first mute your microphone. It will be easier for the teacher to, when you join and the teacher starts to explain, to hear you, and you can hear it better, and it will be much clearer. And here you should turn your camera on, and after that just click join. Okay, as you can see right now, it's written above, when the meeting starts, we will let people know you're waiting. So that means that your teacher, when he see that you joined, he will accept you. And then you will be able to access that. So how you will know when you access? For sure, you will see that this window is changed, and it will be something. For example, here you will see it right now. And here we are. We are joined now. Here it shows me who is presenter, and I'm here. Now here you can see all participants who should join. This is the icon for a chat with a teacher, and this is the icon if you need to raise to ask a teacher, so you can click raise the hand, or if you smile or give like or something like that. If you need to ask a teacher something, here you will be able unmute and mute microphone. So when you click unmute, you will have it like this, clear microphone. When you click mute, as you can see, it's crossed, so that means your voice doesn't go over to the teacher, so he cannot hear you. So this is the way how you can join the Microsoft Teams, and this is the way how you can participate on online lesson. I will leave now the meeting, close this one, and just remember, the blue ones are the ones where you can see it when you have online lesson. All other ones that are like crossed like this with a line, or it's written cancel, that means that lesson will not be online. Also, you can see it here on the left side, that is white, it's empty. But also, when you go with the mouse and stay a little bit, maybe 2-3 seconds, it will be written cancelled, or it's finished, or something like that. This is the way how to use Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching.